Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a few things that we should be thinking about if we want financial freedom in the future. Okay, financial literacy is where we should be thinking as far as 2022 and beyond. We have to educate ourselves on a lot of things about our money and about our freedom. By the age, I'll say retirement. I'm not looking to work past 50. I just want to fly around the country and just enjoy what the world have to offer. So I'm doing a few things that I think we all should be doing at this point of our life. The first one is pay yourself first. So many people fall into that trap of not paying themselves. They pay the bills, they pay everybody else but themselves. The IRS, if you're on W-2, the first one to take out your money. And then you get your money and you blow it all, paying all the bills, but you're not paying yourself. Pay yourself first, guys. It's very important. Capital One is what I use. That bank account have ways that you could set up account inside of your account and you could name them. So one of my account inside my account is pay yourself, and I usually send around 35 to 40% of my check straight there, and that money I will use just in case I see a good investment. I'll use that money for that. So I'm not telling you to pay yourself first and then go blow the money and stupidness. All right, pay yourself first, guys. So invest, so in the future you'll be a lot better off, right? The second one is compounding interest is the ultimate key, guys. Compounding interest is the ultimate key. You want to get some form of investment that's giving you 8 to 10% per year, and long term is also the key to that, right? So I'm talking about 20, 25, 30 years of compounding interest at a 10% interest rate, guys. That is big. And one of the famous accounts you could set up for that is your Roth IRA. There's a reason why they capped that at $6,000. You cannot put no more than $6,000 per year in that account. So you guys should educate yourself on these accounts. The next one is don't spend more than you make. Do not spend more than you make, guys. This is the key. This is why we stay in debt, because we're making $4,000 and we spending $5,000. That is not going to get us anywhere. Okay, so do not spend more than you make. The next one is asset over liability. If you buy a car that you driving around in and it's not making you any money, but it constantly taking money from you every month, whether it's the insurance, the car payment, that's a liability. But if you go out there and you buy a car and you put it on the market for rent, let's say a driver is driving for Uber and you rent it and it's bringing you in money, guess what, guys? That is a asset. It's bringing you in money. It's not taking money from you. So asset over liability, very important. Next one, this is big. Inflation is at an all-time high right now, guys. So inflation is stealing your wealth, so you have to invest. It's very important that you invest. Like I said, you can invest in stocks, bonds, gold, silver, anything that's gonna give you some form of return on your money. That's what you should invest in. The next one is start a side hustle. Salary alone is not gonna get you rich. Okay, it might make you a living, but that's as far as you're gonna go. You're always gonna be in debt on salary. Remember, the guy you working for, the woman you working for, you are working to make them richer. They not giving you their money for you to be richer. You're working for them to be richer. Okay, so they create the opportunity for you. You get up every morning, you go to work, and who knows where they are. Sometimes they might be in the business early in the morning. Depends on how big the business is, but you're making them richer, not yourself. So start a side hustle. Okay, find something that you could do, that you're capable of doing very well, and do it as a side hustle. And who knows how far that will get. Okay, let's see if I have any more here that I want to talk about. I think that's pretty much it. It was just on my mind and I was sitting down writing them down in my phone, and I think we should talk about it. So keep that in mind, guys. All right, until next time, catch you.